you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in PUBG, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem. Step 1. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available patches, as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're using a game launcher like Steam, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files feature. This will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can help resolve loading issues. Step 5. Adjust network settings. Check your internet connection and consider resetting your router. Additionally, try switching to a wired connection if you're using Wi-Fi, as this can improve stability and reduce loading times. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in PUBG. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.